How to recover data after factory reset. If you want to restore your data after a reset or with or without backup, then let's just proceed. First, quickly check if your data can be restored through a backup. If you're using Android, you can open up your Google Photos and check the trash or archive. Then check Google Drive backups. Many phones silently create automatic backups on your Google Drive. If you use WhatsApp, you can go to your settings on your WhatsApp, go with the three dots which will be on the top, and then go with settings, then go with chats, and here you'll find restore to recover your old messages and media. You can tap on your chat backup and you'll be able to back up. Samsung users can also check Samsung Cloud if any of these backup exist. You can recover almost everything instantly. Now, for iPhone users, you can go with your iCloud backup. If a backup exists, simply reset again and choose Restore from iCloud. Or you can also restore through iTunes backup on your computer. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.